YouTube, Scott Off-Road, how you doing today? Well, we're in the garage. We rolled out the Mission to Haiti Jeep. Now we're going to do a little work on my Jeep. Already did the rear axle seal. Had a leak in that. Got that taken care of. Now we're taking the front bumper off so we can do sway bar modification. We're taking the sway bars off and putting an anti-rock in. So far I've got the winch unhooked and I've started unbolting the bumper. I'll let you catch up to that. Like I said, we've already got the winch unhooked. We got the bottom bolts taken off the bumper, and now we're just doing these last two bolts on the tow hooks. Something I just noticed is my brake line has been rubbing. That ain't good. Looks like it just started, so we'll have to readjust some zip ties and get that tied out of the way. Good idea to check underneath your vehicle on a regular basis. Now it's time to read the directions on the anti-rock sway bar. See you in a bit. I will say I was disappointed. I ordered my cool anti-rock and it came in a little bitty box. I was expecting some cool, awesome thing. Looks like we got ourselves a torsion bar. Hardware, bushings, destructions, trash, in links, hardware, or in linked hardware. I'm guessing these are the in links. And these are the bars. had to narrow the sway bar length down 1 inch for my application. And now it's just a matter of tightening it up and putting it together. Oh. And of course, in walking over here, I sat down the wrench I needed and can't find it. Seriously. Alright, got the links put together. I had to shorten by 1 inch. I did 1 inch on one side. I think the other one I might do a 1/2 inch on each side. I haven't decided yet. I did add some anti-seize down on these end links just in case, make adjustments easier. Now it's just a matter of tightening them up. And putting the bumper back on. Ready to go? Oh. Well, YouTube, thanks for watching. It's been a lot of fun on this project. Looking forward to seeing it on the trail, see how much I like these Antirocks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow to see more of the builds and the adventures. Have a blessed day.